So if, whoa, that's really harsh. Let's see what it looks like if you go live on the phone. How's it going, everyone? This is Gilsar Vergara back again with another video. Welcome to Do My Life, where we talk about lifestyle podcasts and reviews. Today's going to be a review. My wife recently bought something from Lazada. I just want to open it up, check it out. Allegedly, it's a really good light for when she does lives, but maybe you can use it. Maybe it's for you. I'll put the links down below on Lazada and anything comparable in America and on Amazon that you can purchase it. It's a flat panel LED and with a holder for a cell phone potentially. So if it goes well, I might have to buy one for myself. And if it really goes well, I might have to buy an extra one, so I can give it away. If this video gets 50 likes, I will buy one and give it away on the next video. So make sure the video gets enough likes and comment down below what your thoughts are on this product. And do not hesitate to support the channel. Give it a thumbs up. So here we go. So here it is right here. So obviously it's not the black thing there. Why? Oh shit. The dog's freaking pissed on this. And I just touch it. Let me clean it. We are back at it because we are back at it. So let's cut this open real quick. Let me just shove this down here. Kind of give you a quick unboxing, really quick. So I'm gonna cut it really. Not too deep, hopefully. So what do we have in the box? I can tell you right now, it is very well packaged. I can tell right now. Okay, blade is dull, or this is really like. Let's take it out slowly. So this is really tape this sucker up. Okay. Perfect. So we have the LED panel. We have a phone holder, and this is probably the holder for the phone to attach onto the tripod. Put that together really quickly. And this is the tripod right here. First off, I do like the tripod. It is metal, not plastic. It is, I mean, this is pretty cheap on Lazada. So what we have here is the LED light. As you can see, it is 2800 to 65 lumens. So it should be bright. And these are some of the scenes that you can use it for. So definitely it can be usable. Let's see if it's too good to believe. What comes in the box here? Oh, this is small. It's smaller than I expected. Right here. Smaller than I expected. So, comes with a remote. Comes with a remote for you. It comes with the attachment to get onto the tripod. So right there, let's just take that out real quick. Right there, right? Comes with two triple A batteries for the remote. Right there, yeah. And comes with, we need, now for those of you who are in Asia, right, you're used to this, or in Europe, I believe, just make sure you get an adapter for this to attach it onto wherever you need to attach it onto. So this is an actual unit right here. It is plastic, however, it does seem sturdy for now. You can put it vertical like that or in landscape right there. It's only two areas right there. Let's just put it together. So let's put it together and let's take. Okay, so we're gonna put this together real quick. Then I'll give you a quick overview of what I think about the quality afterwards. So I'm gonna just time lapse this. So this is super basic. For those of you who are familiar with it, it's basic tripod. Basically, just to let you know, this doesn't come with it, but you're gonna definitely need one of these here in the Philippines, right? Or unless you have the socket for this already, but I've never really seen a socket like this in the Philippines where it can allow the circular ones here. And because of my situation, I'm gonna need an extension cord. So let me put it together, put my phone on there, and give you more of a look while I speak on this. I've set it up already. I just wanted to show you the difference. This right now is using both of the kitchen lights that I have, which is right by the sink and then right by above me, which as you can see kind of gives me the rim bright effect to some degree. I'm gonna install this right here so I can play with the remote here, and then I'll do another test of turning off the light with this view right here, on and off the light with this particular camera, just in case you don't want to use a phone but you just want to use the light, and then seeing the quality of it in the dark as well. And even added light, let's say with the lights on, with this on, with the lights off, with this on, and other tests that I want to run here to give you like an assessment for yourself if this is the right light for you. Okay. It only works when you click it on, but remote is good, so let's play with the settings. So right now, as I said, you have the upper light, the kitchen light, and it gives you a Rembrandt effect. And this is it on, and it is pretty bright. I am very, very surprised. Now, it is only about 2 feet away from me. So as you can see, it's even more of a Rembrandt effect right now, right there. That's the ideal triangle right there. Now, let's play with the darkness and the lightness. So that's it. As you notice, it's getting dimmer, and it's pretty cool. I would have to say right at the present moment, it is pretty good. I'll give you my cons afterwards, but one of the pros right now is this right here. For those of you who are like vlogging, going live, not so much vlogging, I'm sorry, going live and having a stationary somewhere in the house, it's good. This is the absolute brightness now. Now, it has a left and right thing. So these right here, I don't know for what reason, why, they just control brightness regardless, whether you go forward or go left or right or up or down. So as you can see, like if I go this way, it'll lighten up. If I go that way, there. If I go this way, brightens up. It still brightens up. Okay, so that's at full brightness right now. This is at full brightness right now. Auxiliary, I don't know what that means. CT. Also, now it's going to go into its, now this is more daylight, as you can see. So it has like that it goes through the spectrum of 2800 to 5600. It's 28? Oh, 28 to 6500. So this is more the daylight right here. And more the white light right here, which I prefer. I kind of prefer in the middle, but I do like that right there. It doesn't tell you where you're at lumens wise, but what do you expect for the cost, right? But section, it'll just run through. If you press section, it'll run through everything right now. So if you're kind of confused as to where you want to fine tune, if you don't want to fine tune it, this is more of choose the 3 modes. That's like in the middle, cool, warm, kind of in the middle there. So I kind of like the middle there. And from there, you can fine tune it right there a little bit. You can fine tune it. Okay, cool. So I always love the Rembrandt effect right now. So I'm looking at the camera right now. So now I'm gonna switch over to the lights being off and showing you how it looks. So let's turn that off. So whoa, that's really harsh. Now I'm gonna have to, okay. Now, if you were doing a live for some reason in the dark and you wanted just this, I'm looking at the screen now. I don't really see that much noise on there, but it's looking good. So I don't really, it looks great. I'm honestly, like it still gives me, it is pretty dramatic right now. As you know, if I want to do like, now, mind you, this is about 2 feet away from me. So for me, clarity wise, I don't see that much noise. It looks really good. I'm gonna give this a thumbs up when it comes to right now, what it looks like right now. This is pretty sharp. Now let's run through the sections here. Cool mode, a bit too cold for me. Oh, really warm, but kind of okay. And then that in between, but I just adjust it from there. So for those of you who are vloggers, who are in the house, want to do videos in the house, don't have that much sunlight, or just want to have this dramatic effect of that Rembrandt effect there, I think it's a go. Let's see what it looks like if you go live on the phone. Okay guys, so right now, this is a good setting for me right now. And as you can see, there's no more Rembrandt. It's right in front of me. Perfect for lives, perfect for so many things here. You can do a lot of things now. Now, one of the cons is that this is the only setup you can do, because another way you can do it, I don't know how you would set it up to do it on a landscape. I don't think you can at the present moment. I don't have a particular way you can do it right now. The holder doesn't swivel unless you get something that swivels, which is, you can perfectly do it. You can do it. But here, I'm gonna go through the sections. This is that cool mode right here. As you can see, it's good. It's good light. Let me bump it up a little bit. That's the highest right now, so you can kind of see what that looks like. This is the warm mode, which is, it feels like I'm literally feeling right now, like right in the sun right now, but still a bit too bright for me. This is the in-between mode, which, as you can see, I'm squinting. I'm looking extra Asian right now, extra Chinoy here, but nonetheless, this is a bit more where I like it. And as you can see, if I were to go live, perfectly fine. It's all the lights are gone here for now, like my upper lights, and we should be good. Now, for the value, for what it offers, I would have to give it a thumbs up, honestly. This is for people who are like starting out, you're doing makeup stuff, you just need something a little bit, don't want to spend too much money on anything, a little setup. I believe with everything, my Ruby spent about 1.4 or 1.2 or something like that. So let's turn the lights on to kind of see that contrast. Now this is with the lights on. So this is just this front-facing light. This front-facing light basically supplements, you know, I mean, the lights above basically supplement this particular light. Now, if you want to match it, because these are cool lights here, that's kind of more of the matching portion of there. But if you were looking for a bit of more, like you have upper lights here, you want to cut out the shadows here, and you want to like accentuate here, I think it's good. This is my verdict on this particular product. I give it a thumbs up. It's really of great use for the value. About $20, $30 in American, about $1,200, $1,400 in the Philippines. I particularly like it because it has 3 modes. You can adjust it. It's pretty easy to set up, as in like a 10 out of 10 would be dummy proof, and it's dummy proof. Some cons I have for it is the holder for the phone. It's just one setting. Unless you put another swivel on there, then you can play around with it. That's what you can't put in a landscape from my point of view. Another con is that I wish the light was bigger, honestly. Like bigger, like maybe 15 inches, 18 inches to get more. But for the value, you cannot beat it. You just can't. Literally, I'm capturing everything I need to capture. Rembrandt and everything, which I always love that Rembrandt look. Well, with that said, comment down below if you have this particular unit already and what your thoughts are. Comment down below if you are wanting to go on the podcast. I would love you to guest on there. My links are down below for the podcast. And if you're looking for some type of consultation, business, life coaching, accountability coaching, my links are down below as well. I offer a 30-minute free 30-minute discovery, so we can kind of see if we vibe together, and hopefully can help you and bring value to your life. With that said, take care, God bless, and thank you for checking out the channel. Give it a thumbs up. Really appreciate the growth of the channel. And like I said before, if this video gets 50 likes, I will pick one of the commenters on the bottom here, on the comment section. If it gets 50 likes, I will choose the commenters, whoever comments on this video, after 50 likes, I will buy this unit for you and I will send it out to you in the Philippines. In America, I have to find a way, but right now in the Philippines. So get up to those 50 likes. I would love to give it to you and gift it to you. Take care, God bless, and have a great day or night wherever you are.